before modern trucks ruled the highways. There was a legend that roared louder than any engine, the Scania 143M. Born in the late 1980s, the Scania 143M became the true king of the European roads. Powered by the iconic V8 engine, this beast delivered raw power, unmatched reliability, and a sound that every trucker still remembers today. Its elegant yet aggressive design defined a generation, a perfect balance between muscle and class. The 143M wasn't just a truck. It was a symbol of freedom, strength, and the golden era of trucking. Even decades later, its name still echoes through every highway, a timeless reminder that true legends never fade. If you love the sound of old power and timeless machines, hit that subscribe button, and join us on Legends of the Road.